merely think about immortality or God in whom we believe. But in my opinion, if we think a little more, so the real meaning of everlasting should be connected to our lives. What we do, what we experience, remains in our hearts forever, which means everlast. We, the all living beings, don't live ever. But if we do something, we write something, that might be any book, poem, article, or anything that remains forever, then whether we live or not. Our thoughts, our writing, always be everlasting. When we experience something, that experience is everlasting in our memories. We see things, we laugh, we cry, we play. All our actions remain in our hearts forever. For us, our actions are everlasting. So we must focus on doing good things that please our hearts and become a good memory until we live.